Now, there's a sad sight, an empty humidor. A lot of you have been asking recently what is in my humidor, so I decided I would put together just a small video just to show you what's in it at present. So, what have I got here? Okay, I have a lot of Fuentes. So, Arturo Fuente double chateau with the natural leaf. I have two of them, and then the double chateau with the sun-grown leaf. Two of them, of course. Then I have the Añejo Gran Reserva. I think this is the 50. Beautiful smoke. And I just tuck that in there to bed. And then I have 5 of the Añejo Maduro 46s. Again, lovely smoke. So I just put 4 of them in there. Bed. Now, what else have I got? I have the Arturo Fuente Magnum 50. I believe it's a sun-grown wrapper. It's not a full Maduro wrapper. I have yet to have one of them. Okay, then I have the Arturo Fuente. You can see I saying that now. This is the Hemingway Classic, which is again a lovely smoke, but it needs a good bit of time. 2 of them. I like cigars in 2s. Then I have, again, it is similar to the Hemingway, and it's the Arturo Fuente Classic. It's the sun-grown wrapper, so it's Hemingway just with the sun-grown, or it's a slight Maduro wrapper. I think they just make these names up as they go along, but again, another beautiful cigar. Then, what else do I have here? I have the very fancy looking Between the Lines. This is it's like a short story. It is the Barber Pole wrapper, Maduro, and the natural leaf. Not that you notice the transitions between each one, but it's a very, very nice cigar. Very expensive and hard to get as well. I don't know why I would prioritize some of the others. One of my favourites, the Opus X. I'm not sure what model this is. I think it's the double crown, but anyway, they're beautiful. I think I just like them because they're wrappers sometimes. But a beautiful smoke, generally a Christmas smoke, but smoking them a bit more now. What else have I got here? I have the Liga Privada. I haven't smoked this yet, so I don't really know what it's like, but I love the colour of it and the size of it. I would say it's going to be a fairly sweet, long cigar. Looking forward to that one. And then, just a Monte Cristo 2. And my new favourites at the moment. Actually, they're all my favourites. It's ridiculous. Depends on the mood I'm in. The Padron. This is I suppose you could call it a Gordo. It's a nice big chunky cigar. And one I had last night, which was this Padron anniversary, the 1964. This is it in a natural wrapper. I smoked the Maduro last night. Gary in Decent Cigar hooked me up nicely with them, which is a beautiful cigar. If you have the opportunity and you have the few quid, this is a very special and nice cigar to have. You'll always remember when you had your Padron. And then another, just a smaller version of the Padron from the standard range, from the classic range. It's just slightly less expensive, but still beautiful, beautiful cigar. So that's everything. All ready to go back to bed. Night night cigars. Thanks for watching.